God is real? How do I know that God is real? Now let me ask you this question. How do you know if the wind is real? You can't see the wind, can you? You can't see it, but you can feel it. You can't see it, but you can hear it. You can't see it, but you can see it moving other things. Now this is how I know that God is real. I can't see God, but I can hear His voice. I can't see God, but I can feel His holy presence. I can't see God, but I can see Him changing my heart, changing my life, moving through my life and moving through other people's lives. This is how I know that God is real. So let me ask you this. Are you willing to hear His voice? Are you willing to feel His presence? And are you willing for Him to move through you?